Sometimes you just need a simple presentation and you don't want to spend hours making one. In this video, I will show you how to download a free presentation template from Canva. It's easy. I will walk you through it step by step. Let's get started. First, make sure you open Canva website, log into your account, and then go here to presentation. Here, search for presentation on any topic that you like. Let's do, for example, technology presentations. Here, you're gonna choose which one you want, click on it. For example, this one. You're just gonna click on the one that you want to work on. For example, this one. Here you can edit the text according to your needs, or you can edit anything here that's gonna work for you. Once you finish, you're just gonna go to the top right here and click on share to download it. Click on share, then click on download. You're gonna choose which format you would like, then click on download again here. And this is how you can download a free template on Canva. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next video.